Levoit sent over their air purifier to test out, and it's primarily made for people that have pets, but I quickly realized it's actually made for just about any bad smell that you have in your house. I even put this in our garage to see if it would get rid of the dust and smells while I was sanding and just working on my tractor. It's normally $199, but I believe it's on sale currently, so you'll want to check the description of the video for current pricing and more information. You can see here just how much stuff it picked up when I was sanding. Although I probably wouldn't do that too often because you would have to change the filter more often, but still pretty impressive to see how quickly it was working. Inside the box, you've got a user manual and charger. You can see it's got the filter. Then it also has the screen that collects the dust and pet hair, where you can actually slide down to scrape that off into the bin down below, which is pretty easy to take out and empty. You can see it does have the controls there on the top, but it also works with the VSync app to power it on or off. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant. The app also gives you an idea of what's going on with the air and odor trends. You can control the fan speeds, set schedules, and change the modes. There's actually a lot of stuff in the app to where you can make it just how you like. You can see the lights change colors on the top based on air quality, and it'll also show you that in the app as well. The overall size is pretty compact, but I think it's easily one of the best air purifiers that I've tested. Pretty much any room that I put this in, they seem to get rid of odors and dust pretty quickly. It made quite a bit of difference even within the first hour. I think the biggest difference with this air purifier over some of the others that I've tested is this one has TVOC, which helps with chemicals, litter box, and pet odors. Again, I noticed quite a difference within 1 hour of using this, so pretty impressive considering the size. It even has a pet lock feature to stop your pets from changing the settings on the top. I'll probably be using this in our basement mainly to keep things smelling fresh down there, but I would say if you're looking for an air purifier that's a little stronger than most other typical ones that I've tested, this is definitely the one to get, even if you don't have pets.